Hey guys, and welcome to the course. This is what we're going to be making as the final project in our course, and this is a great example of front view flat design. And what we mean by front view is, what you're going to be seeing out of your eyes whenever you walk into a particular room, place, wherever. This is obviously a workstation, computer, printer, cork board, bookshelf, desk lamp, everything else. But what I want to cover with you guys really quickly is what all is going to be happening through the structure of the course. First, we're going to start off with some demos of some generic flat design projects. We're going to be making a computer monitor with an alert. We're going to be making a paper airplane, and then we're actually going to get into this project. And how I like to teach is I want you to see my entire process. I want you to see me try things and them not work out. I want you to see me screw up. I want you to see me succeed. I want you to see me experiment and play with different colors and everything else, because I want you to have a greater understanding of everything that goes into actually creating an illustration and flat design. So we're going to take you really from soup to nuts with everything that is associated with my process for creating flat design. The other things that you're going to be noticing as we go along the way is there's going to be a lot of work involved. So I want to mentally prepare you for some of the sections to be boring. Yeah, it's probably the best way to put that. But I promise you, it'll be worth it in the end, and you're going to learn a lot along the way. But some of the things are going to be a tad bit tedious and are going to be a little bit slow, but they're meant to give you a deep understanding of the basics of flat design. So I am excited to get started, and we're going to be doing the demos first, and I will see you there.